where are we at right now?
We're here at
the Cinco de Mayo.
Cinco de Mayo here in Moorhead, Minnesota. It's lit.
So what are we doing right now, Camden?
Right now we're doing a photo shoot. We had a little bit of an adventure, a little side quest.
Please tell me you got videos.
I got one clip of him getting out. But yeah, you're sitting here, cars. Steve, myself, which is Camden.
My girlfriend's sitting in the car over there.
Yeah. We do a little show around over
Yeah. Fuck it.
A little show around at the new ring. So, for those of you who know me for a little while, I had a black Colorado 02 before. I decided to get my own rig though. So it's an LT trim. It doesn't have too much to it for right now. There's going to be a lot of paint match getting done. 7 to 9 inch the boys lift. A bunch of powder coating, wide ass tires. Of course, you got the Lakes decal there. You got my socials there. So go give me a follow on socials there.
They'll be also be in the description.
Follow me on TikTok as well. And follow me on Instagram as well. LoneRanger53 on Instagram. But yeah, there's going to be a lot of cool things under this, including a high country interior swap as well, which I'm really excited for. But yeah, and then I've got Starlights waiting to be done. Paint match. Not all the paint match will be done, but some of the paint match will be done. Just the basic paint match will be done next weekend. So, and then it'll be making its first reveal at the Lakes Royals meet in Devil's Lake on May 23rd. So, if you're looking forward to seeing that, make sure to be there. I'll be there.
Going for YouTube. What are we doing right now?
I'm making the boys come out with me and film.
For what? For TikTok? Are you gonna film your own YouTube video? Because you haven't posted in a while.
Yeah, I probably will. Maybe I'm already working on it, you don't know. So.
When are you gonna post to TikTok?
Probably tonight. There's gonna be some on the lake stream too.
Oh God.
There'll be 2 videos today actually. Ethan actually introduces himself on the Lakes account.
Yes.
So I'm posting that one tonight. You'll see that.
You were just waiting for my birthday to post it, weren't you?
Yeah. And you got to see it. Love you.
I didn't.
So I finally heard it last night while he was having a little party time. So I posted that tonight, and then I'll post video on the Lake channel. These rigs are beautiful. Steve just got stuck.
If Camden sends me the video, that'll be in the YouTube.
Oh yeah.
He got out of it pretty quick.
It actually wasn't that hard.
No. Paint match?
Yeah, new rocker panels, maybe a little lift.
Maybe a bed?
It's gotta be clean.
Maybe a bed?
No, just around the wheel wells.
Yeah.
That's fine. Not changing car wash.
Especially after what just happened.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I sprayed that car back there too.
Yeah.
So next spot, we're going to Content Road. It's about a mile long strip. We're gonna start off with your car, Ethan. And we're gonna take out the Green Lantern.
Are we gonna wash it first or no?
I think we need
No,
to
We need to wash it.
I was gonna say it's a dig. No. It's a mud rig. Keep the mud on there.
No, I want it to look nice.
Dude, he's a pavement princess.
The pavement. Yeah, baby!
Oh, yeah!
Yeah, I know.
It's sticky.
Oh,